Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
No charges will be filed against the motorcyclist who shot and killed a driver in a road rage incident last year in Orange City. Police say 36-year-old Sarah Morales intentionally hit a motorcyclist with her car. The biker followed her home, and when Morales realized that, she came outside with a gun and pointed it at him, but he also had a gun and shot her.
Put your hands out. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Don't move! Do not move!
I'm not going to move.
Do not move!
I'm not moving.
Stay right where you are, okay?
Please don't shoot me.
I'm not going to shoot you. Just keep listening to what I'm telling you, okay?
I'm going to move.
What's your first name?
Andrew.
Okay.
Yeah, let's move to the right.
That girl tried to kill me. She pointed a gun at
Okay.
me.
All right. Just relax.
It's a gun to the left.
She tried
Okay?
to kill me.
Relax. This officer's going to come around.
I'm so sorry.
Relax.
Leave that.
I'm not
leave the
moving.
horse
I'm not
Okay.
moving.
You're good.
Please. I'm not moving. I'm so sorry. She tried to kill me, and those other people are armed too. They had guns too.
Give me another cup.
Please be easy, gentlemen. I have no record. I didn't do anything wrong to defend myself.